As Colorado feels more comfortable in the fight against COVID, restrictions loosen. Mask orders are lifted and many of the mass vaccination sites are closing. But there's not much comfort in the Latino community. It still has some of the lowest vaccination rates in the state. CBS 4's Marissa Armas on that story. Marissa, one woman really has made it her mission to make sure Latinos are protected.
Jim, that's right. This woman has helped vaccinate more than 13,000 Latinos around the state. But with max vaccination sites like this one permanently closing, some people wonder what impact it's going to have on the Latino community.
It's a job Julissa Soto doesn't take lightly.
Many of the agencies who were receiving lots of funding to fight this disease were not reaching the Latino community in a cultural relevant way.
For the past 2 years, she's gone to churches, clubs, and carnicerias, convincing Colorado Latinos to get vaccinated.
They really can't believe there is a lady there walking around the club wanted to vaccinate.
Despite efforts from Julissa and others, Latinos in the state are lagging behind when it comes to vaccines.
We have been doing a poor job expecting the community to come to us.
We know the Latino population is behind.
Data from CDPHE shows that only about 39% of the state's Latino population has received at least one dose of the vaccine. Currently, Latinos have the lowest vaccination rate than any other group.
Historically, there have been systems and policies that have made it really challenging to access health care.
And with all of Colorado's mass vaccination sites closing on Thursday, some wonder if it'll negatively impact this community.
I don't think so. And the reason I say that is because, the access and people that are accessing our large community sites has really declined.
CDPHE says most Latinos are accessing vaccines through other sources, like mobile vaccination sites, health fairs, and through community-based organizations, which aren't going away yet. But Julissa fears with Governor Polis stating we're in a new chapter, and with many services phasing out, the Latino community will be forgotten.
It's over for the Anglo community, but it's not over for the Latino community.
And the Department of Health says that no matter where you get a vaccine moving forward, those will remain free. You can also go to your local doctor's office. Julissa will be hosting several vaccine clinics in the coming weeks. In Aurora, Marissa Armas covering Colorado First.